The rich are not playing the same money game you are. And until someone hands you their rulebook, you'll keep working harder every year and wondering why you never get ahead. Here's the uncomfortable truth: two people can earn the exact same paycheck, and in 20 years one is wealthy and the other is still broke, not because one worked harder, but because one knew the rules and the other never did. Today I'm handing you that rulebook. I'm going to show you the specific, quiet rules the wealthy use to get richer almost automatically, rules that were never taught to you in school, at home, or anywhere else, on purpose. There are 6 of them. Some will surprise you. One of them, rule number 4, is so powerful that it's the single biggest reason the rich pull away from everyone else, and I'll save it for the exact right moment. By the end of this video, you'll understand precisely how the money game is actually played, and more importantly, how you can start playing it too, starting today, no matter what you earn right now. This is the video I wish someone had shown me 10 years ago. Let's get into it. Welcome to Money Decoded. So let's start with rule number 1, the foundation everything else is built on. The rich buy assets. Everyone else buys stuff that looks like wealth. Here's the difference that changes everything. An asset is something that puts money into your pocket, a share of a business, an investment fund, a rental property, things that earn while you sleep. A liability takes money out of your pocket, the shiny new car, the designer clothes, the gadgets bought to look successful. And here's the trap most people fall into: when they finally get some money, they immediately spend it trying to look rich, on liabilities that lose value and drain them every month. The wealthy do the opposite. When they get money, they quietly buy assets that pay them, and they let those assets buy the nice things later. Think about it. A poor person's money goes out and never comes back. A rich person's money goes out, buys an asset, and comes back with friends. That one habit, buying assets before luxuries, is the seed of every fortune. But owning assets is just the beginning, because the rich found a way to buy them faster than their own money allows, and that's rule number 2. Before I give you rule number 2, I have to destroy the lies that keep you locked out of this game, because these lies are the real reason most people never even try. Lie 1, the rich just have high incomes. False. Plenty of high earners are broke, and plenty of quiet millionaires had ordinary jobs. It's not what you earn, it's the rules you follow with it. Lie 2, they got lucky or inherited it. Some did, but study after study shows most millionaires are first-generation, ordinary people who followed these exact rules for decades. Lie 3, you need a lot of money to start. You'll see in a minute that you can begin with almost nothing, because these rules are about direction, not size. And lie 4, the most poisonous one, it's too late for me. It is not. The best time to start was years ago, the second best time is today, and the rules work at any age and any income. Every one of these lies does the same thing: it convinces you the game is rigged so you never pick up the rulebook. But it's not rigged, it's just hidden. Now, back to how the rich buy assets faster than their own cash allows. Rule number 2. Rule number 2, the rich use other people's money to get richer. It's called leverage, and it's how the game speeds up. When a wealthy person buys an asset that reliably produces income or grows in value, they'll often borrow at a low interest rate to buy more of it than their own cash could, so the asset itself pays back the loan and keeps the profit. That's the good debt we've talked about, debt that buys things that make money, the opposite of the credit card debt that quietly buries most people. Used carelessly, leverage is dangerous, but used wisely on solid assets, it's an accelerator the rich pull constantly while everyone else only borrows for liabilities. And rule number 3, the one that legally saves them fortunes, the rich make the tax rules work for them. They don't cheat, they simply use the incentives built into the system, holding investments long-term for lower tax rates, and using tax-advantaged accounts that let their money grow with the brakes off. Over decades, keeping more of every dollar instead of losing it to taxes creates a staggering difference. Assets, leverage, and taxes, the rich stack all 3 at once. But none of them, not one, works without the rule I promised you. Rule number 4, right now. Here it is, rule number 4, the one I promised, the single most powerful rule in the entire game: the rich harness time and compounding, and they never, ever interrupt it. This is the real secret. When your assets earn money, and you reinvest that money so it earns even more, your wealth doesn't grow in a straight line, it explodes exponentially. A modest amount, left alone and compounding for decades, can quietly become a fortune, and the returns in the final years dwarf everything you put in. Here's the part that should stun you: most of a lifetime's wealth is built in the last stretch of compounding, which means the single most valuable ingredient isn't money, it's time. This is why the rich start early and refuse to touch it. They don't panic sell in a crash, they don't cash out for a shiny toy, they don't jump between get-rich-quick schemes. They pick solid assets and let compounding run, uninterrupted, for 20, 30, 40 years. It looks like nothing is happening for a long time, and then it looks like magic. The tragedy is that most people interrupt their compounding constantly, and never let the magic happen. Protect your time in the game above all else. Now let's turn these rules into your actual plan, starting with the first move. So here's your first move, and you can start it this week with almost nothing. Begin buying assets, on purpose, before luxuries. The simplest, most proven asset for regular people is a low-cost index fund, which instantly makes you a part owner of hundreds of the biggest companies, an army of businesses working and growing for you. You don't need to be rich to start, you need to start to get rich. Pay yourself first. The moment you get paid, automatically send a portion into that asset before lifestyle creep can grab it. Even a small automatic amount, invested every single month and left completely alone, quietly turns you into an owner instead of just a spender, and starts your compounding clock, the most valuable clock you own. This single habit flips the entire game. Instead of your money vanishing on things that drain you, it goes to work buying you more freedom, month after month, on autopilot. Remember Rule 1 and Rule 4, own assets, and give them time. That's the engine. But to really pull away, you have to stack the other rules on top, and that's your second move. Your second move is to stack the rest of the rules, and multiply everything. First, use the tax-advantaged accounts available to you, things like a 401k, especially with an employer match, and a Roth IRA. Buy your index funds inside these accounts so your money grows with the tax breaks off, and never leave free employer match money on the table. That's an instant return the rich would never refuse. Second, relentlessly grow the gap between what you earn and what you spend, because that gap is the fuel for buying assets. Raise your income by investing in your own skills, the highest return asset of all, and just as importantly, refuse to let your lifestyle balloon every time you earn more. That discipline, quietly living below your means while your income climbs, is exactly what funds the whole machine. Stack it all together and watch what happens. You own assets, bought with a growing surplus, held inside tax-advantaged accounts, compounding uninterrupted for decades. That is the complete game the wealthy play, and now you know every rule. It was never about a secret only they could access, it was about a system nobody bothered to teach you. Let's make it real tonight. Let's turn everything into 3 concrete moves tonight. First, if you haven't already, open one investment account, a Roth IRA or a brokerage, or check that you're enrolled in your workplace 401k. Just opening the door is the step most people never take. Second, set up one automatic transfer to buy a low-cost index fund on your next payday, even a small amount. This single action starts rules 1, 3, and 4 all at once. You're now an asset owner, likely inside a tax-advantaged account, with your compounding clock finally ticking. Third, find your free money. If your job offers a 401k match, make sure you're contributing at least enough to grab all of it, because that is the closest thing to free money you will ever get. Open the account, automate one investment, grab your match. If you do only one thing tonight, set up that automatic investment, because every rule in this game is worthless until your money actually starts working as an asset. The rich didn't wait for the perfect moment, and neither should you. Start the clock tonight. So let me leave you with the truth that changes everything. The rich were never smarter than you, or luckier than you, or born with some secret you could never access. They simply knew the rules of a game you were never taught, and they played it patiently while everyone else played a losing game without even realizing it. But here's the beautiful part, now you know the rules too. Own assets instead of liabilities. Use good debt as leverage, carefully. Make the tax rules work for you. And above all, harness time and let compounding run uninterrupted, while you grow your income and refuse to inflate your life. None of these require a genius, a fortune, or permission from anyone. They just require you to start, and then to be patient enough to let the game play out. The person who stays broke isn't the one who earns less, it's the one who never picks up the rulebook. You just did. So stop playing the losing game, and start playing the one that quietly builds wealth in the background of your life. Now, the single most important rule was time and compounding, and I made a whole video breaking down exactly how compound interest turns small amounts into fortunes. It's the perfect next watch, go see it right now. So let's bring it home. The rich get richer because they follow a rulebook nobody handed you, they buy assets instead of liabilities, they use leverage wisely, they make the tax code work for them, and most powerfully, they harness time and let compounding run for decades without interruption, all while growing their income and living below their means. That's the entire game. It was never rigged, just hidden, and now it's yours. Don't let another year go by playing the losing game. Pick one move tonight, open an investment account, set up one automatic investment into an index fund, and grab any employer match you're leaving behind. Start your compounding clock, because time is the one advantage you can never buy back. Now here's your perfect next watch. Rule number 4, time and compounding, is the real engine behind all of this, and I broke down exactly how compound interest quietly turns ordinary people into millionaires in another video. Go see it right now, and keep the momentum going. Subscribe to Money Decoded USA. Real money help for everyday Americans, no hype. I'll see you in the next one.